is Jordan with Sunset Cars of Auburn, and this is our 2011 Toyota Camry LE, stock number 97475. Type it in on our website, sunsetcars.com, and you're going to get to see all of the features. And by the way, this one's a Carfax one owner vehicle with a clean Carfax history report, as all of our cars have. But man, the legendary Toyota Camry. Listen to some of the awards that this has gotten. It got initial quality study, lowest maintenance cost, smart choice maintenance cost and ownership cost, and retained value, top 10 best-selling vehicles, no surprise, and an award for vehicle dependability, with many others. Light gray cloth interior. This has an air pollution score of 9, by the way. It's reflected by this little logo here, partial zero emission vehicle. It may look gray, but it's actually green. It also has some nice features that you're really going to love when you're on the road. It has a CD player with MP3 playback, a radio with a radio data system and speed-sensitive volume control, Sirius XM satellite radio as well, with a tachometer and an external temperature display. It has lots of airbags, including side curtain airbags, child safety door locks and seat anchors, and body side reinforcements, crumple zones, and lots of other bells and whistles. You should take this car for a test drive at Sunset Cars of Auburn or see all the features on sunsetcars.com. So come in and take it for a test drive, and make sure you tell them Jordan sent you when you do.